Here are common types of salt, their characteristics, and typical uses. 1. Table salt. Texture: fine, uniform. Additives: often contains iodine and anti-caking agents. Use: everyday cooking and baking. 2. Sea salt. Texture: coarse to fine. Source: evaporated seawater. Flavor: mild, sometimes retains ocean minerals. Use: cooking, finishing dishes. 3. Himalayan pink salt. Color: pink due to iron oxide. Source: mined from ancient salt deposits in Pakistan. Use: cooking, salt lamps, body scrubs. 4. Kosher salt. Texture: flaky or coarse. Flavor: pure, no additives. Use: seasoning meats, general cooking, easy to pinch and control. 5. Rock salt. Texture: large, chunky crystals. Use: ice cream machines, de-icing, not for direct food use unless food grade. 6. Black salt kala namak. Color: dark purple to black. Flavor: sulfurous, eggy aroma. Use: Indian cuisine, chaat, vegan egg substitutes. 7. Celtic salt gray salt. Color: gray due to clay content. Texture: moist, mineral-rich. Source: coastal France. Use: gourmet dishes, finishing salt. 8. Flake salt, e.g., Malden salt. Texture: light, crispy flakes. Use: finishing dishes, adding crunch and burst of flavor. 9. Smoked salt. Flavor: smoky, deep. Use: grilled meats, roasted veggies, barbecue-style dishes. 10. Infused, herbal salt. Add-ins: herbs, garlic, truffle, etc. Use: specialty dishes, finishing, flavored seasoning.